The digital security refers to various ways of protecting computers, internet account and files from the intrusion by an outside user. Digital security is important because it allows the people to use the social media and online banking and protects them from the risks, mainly the identity theft and fraud. If the steps mentioned earlier are followed, then your digital security and secondly your digital currencies will be safe. And in this video I will share a new project that is Taurus. Especially it will help the users of the cryptocurrency, and if you are holding some cryptocurrency then it will be 100% for you because this video will secure you and your fund.
Feel uninvited.
The main mission of the Taurus is to give the people freedom of their funds and also security to ensure that the public key cryptography and its benefits are universally available to everyone. Taurus solutions focus on the usability across all the audiences, ensuring the compatibility with a wide range of the use cases while upholding the guarantees that enable the access to everyone. Now it's the time to talk about some main features of the Taurus. The first one is authentication abstractor for the decentralized ecosystem. The Taurus team strive to ensure the access to self-sovereign rights for everyone. On-board users, a seamless logins users are familiar with. Non-custodial solutions users have full control with the threshold distributed key generation. And especially for the blockchain lovers, the user keys for any blockchain and multiple platforms compatible on the web and mobile platforms with the native app. The whole story about the Taurus is this, that right now number of people are using it and they are securing their funds, and it's entirely very easy. Simply you can sign up with your email address and then you can use this platform, and you can even buy the cryptocurrencies with the help of Taurus. So it's a great thing, and if you didn't follow them, kindly follow them right now. Here you can see the entire links of the Taurus, and the team is available for you 24/7 and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. The team of Taurus is entirely flexible and they have the strong opinions loosely held, and they believe the ideas and solutions improve over iterations. It means that they are working day and night for the security of your funds, security of your identity and everything. And as I told you, right now you have the chance to buy the cryptocurrencies without doing anything. Only simply you can sign up on the main platform of the Taurus. I will share the link in the description and then you can utilize it. And number of big companies like Binance and some more companies also integrate with Taurus right now. So it's your time to take the opportunity and secure your funds.